Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential task: deleting all cookies on Google Chrome. This process can help improve your browser's performance and enhance your online privacy. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and clicking on it. Once the browser is up and running, you'll be ready for the next step. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to various settings and options within Chrome. Now, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your browsing experience. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, you'll find several categories. Click on Privacy and Security to proceed. In the Privacy and Security section, find and click on Delete Browsing Data. This is where you can manage what data you want to clear from your browser. A new window will pop up, presenting you with different options for clearing data. In this window, ensure that you select cookies and site data. You may also see other options like cached images and files. Feel free to check those if you want a more thorough cleanup. After making your selections, look for the button labeled Delete Data at the bottom of the window. Finally, click on Delete Data. Depending on how many cookies are stored, this may take a moment. Once completed, all cookies will be removed from your Chrome browser. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, opening Chrome, navigating through the settings, and deleting browsing data, you've successfully cleared all cookies from your browser. This not only helps with performance but also ensures a more private browsing experience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing.